Hey everybody, TheLoyale here today. Just wanted to demonstrate the side marker and turn signal lights that I wired up on the 83 GL. The prior video I showed had only two 194 bulbs acting as turn signals, which I found out were a little dim even at night. So instead I placed in two 914 style bulbs, which are still a wedge style bulb but have a fatter end and are 17.9 watts apiece. So it definitely looks like a factory turn signal now. We'll flick them on right quick. We have left turn signal. The speed is pretty average, not too fast, not too slow. As you can see, it is definitely brighter than the previous video. And we still have that wired up as a turn signal as well. Now we'll turn this off and we'll turn the marker light on with turn signal. Marker light is on. That's still the factory 194 bulb, single socket. And now with the added 914 bulbs. And we'll turn the four ways on to give you a walk around. So let me know what you think. If you think this was a good idea, or should I just have left it alone? Peace out.